Lime on the rim of that Dixie, silver smoking up a faded out 4x4. Girls heading off to the river, yeah, Victoria's Secret ain't a secret no more. I brought the songs and you brought the party, only one way to do it upright. Everybody goes where everybody knows it, anything goes on a Friday night. Get your party right, it's a Friday night. Get your party right, it's a Friday night. Hey everyone, Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. I want to teach you how to play this song. That was requested. It's a great song. I love Florida Georgia Line, and you all know that by now. So thanks to you all so much for subscribing, by the way. I really appreciate it. For those of you who haven't, please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new videos. And if you have already subscribed, hit like anyway, all right? So let's get into it. Standard tuning, Capo on the 5th fret. This is Anything Goes by Florida Georgia Line. It was from their second studio album. Yeah, and it's just a really great, fun song. So let me know in the comments if you've ever seen them live and what you thought, because I saw them live and I thought they were really great. So yeah, let me know. Okay, let's get into it. So you're going to start, most of the song is going to be a couple of chords, okay? So you're going to start with C add 9, okay? If you don't know C add 9, put your ring finger on the 3rd fret in relation to the capo. This is all in relation to the capo. 3rd fret on the B string, okay? And then you put your middle finger is going to go on the 3rd fret, so just okay, on the A string. And then you're going to put your pointer finger is going to go on the 2nd fret on the D string, okay? It's just like that. So you strum the whole thing, okay? So then you're also going to use E minor 7, like the easiest chord ever, okay? So you just put your pointer finger, just put that on the 2nd fret on the A string, and that's it. That's E minor 7. That's like most of what you're going to do for this song. So for the intro, all you're doing is single strum Alabama on the boombox, baby, about to get a little boondock crazy. Okay, so that's what you do. So you go, Alabama is when you do C add 9, you just do single strum, Alabama on the boombox, baby. And then right after that, you're gonna do E minor 7, right before you say about to get a little boondock crazy. All right, then you're gonna do C add 9, E minor 7. C add 9, E minor 7. Okay, so that's what you do. Okay, now the strumming pattern for that is down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so to do it a little bit slower for you, it's down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay. So then when you get to the verse, for the verses you're just gonna do single strums, okay? Just like you did in the intro. So you're gonna do big stars. So you do it right before you start to say the lyrics, all right? So it's C add 9 is big stars breaking out through the indigo, and then right at the end of indigo, you're gonna do E minor 7, okay? Indigo, Chevy wind blowing in stereo. Then after that, C add 9, because you're going to do it. Then it's like you're saying it like before the lyrics, you know, so it's C add 9. Taillights disappearing about a mile or so down a county road. Okay? So down a county road, you can do G at the end of it if you want to. You don't have to though. So you can just do that E minor 7 in about a mile or so is E minor 7. Then it's phone is, so you do C add 9, phone blowing up where you is, baby. So baby is where you do E minor 7. Baby saying, baby, wait, let's do this. And then you do C add 9 again. So it's basically just C add 9, C add 9, C add 9, E minor 7, C add 9, E minor 7, C add 9, E minor 7. Okay, now at the end, when you do rocket, so you're gonna go rocket in a bottle with a fuse lit. Okay, then you're gonna go about to lift is E minor 7, about to lift it off, I'm about to twist. So you're gonna go twist is G, twist it off. Okay, then you're gonna go into the chorus. All right, now for the chorus, you're just gonna go lime on the rim of that Dixie. All right, so it's that same strumming pattern we did before. Down, lime on the rim of that Dixie, silver smoking up a faded out 4x4. Okay, so same strumming pattern as what we did for the intro. But what you're going to do is you're gonna the chord progression is gonna be a little bit different. You're gonna do C add 9, then E minor 7, then G. Okay, I like to do this G. You can do this one if you want, whatever. Okay, but so for this one I do this G. All right, so you're gonna go. I'm on the rim of that Dixie silver smoking. Smoking is E minor 7. Smoking up a faded out 4. So 4x4 is where you're gonna do G. 4x4. Girls heading off. So then C add 9 is on girls. Girls heading off to the river, yeah, Victoria. So Victoria, so you do E minor 7. Victoria's secret ain't a secret. So secret no more is where you're gonna do G. Secret no more. I brought C add 9. I brought the songs and you brought the party only. Alright, only is E minor 7. Only one way to do it upright. Everybody, so everybody is C add 9. Everybody goes where everybody knows that anything is C add 9. Anything goes on a Friday is G. Friday night. So then you're going to do C add 9 again. Get your party right. It's a Friday night, E minor 7. Get your party right. And then right before it's, you do G. It's a Friday night. And you go back into what you did for the first verse. You're gonna do that in the second verse. Second chorus is the same. Then when you get to the bridge, it's basically the same as a verse. You're just gonna do Alabama on the boombox, baby. So you're doing C add 9, E minor 7, C add 9. E minor 7, G. C add 9, E minor 7, G. Okay, so for the first line of it where you're doing Alabama on the boombox, baby. Okay, so you just do C add 9, E minor 7. About to get a little boondock crazy. Okay, so for that one you just do C add 9, E minor 7. And for the next 3 lines of the song of the bridge, you go C add 9, E minor 7, G. Okay, you do that for the rest of the bridge. So that at the end of it's hop on, it's a heck of a ride, 'cause anything goes on a Friday night. Okay, then when you do the solo part, if you just want to play some some chords over it, you'll just do C add 9. You'll just do that same thing. You'll C add 9, E minor 7, G. C add 9. You just play it twice. E minor 7, G. And then you go, I'm on the rim of that Dixie silver phone, smoking up a faded out 4x4. Okay, that's the whole song. And then when you want to end the song, you'll just do Alabama on the boombox, baby, about to get a little boondock crazy. So you'll just end it on a C add 9 at the beginning of Alabama and just sing the rest of it. That's the whole song. All right, it's awesome, super fun. Let me know if you guys have any other requests. I'm trying to get to them as much as I can. So I really appreciate you guys watching, and I hope that you guys are all staying safe out there, and that you're learning guitar really well right now. Keep me updated on your progress. All right, thanks guys.